we'll go to Carmen and then Connie. Hey, Carmen, how are you, sweetie?
No.
Uh, Good. Again, you've done a great job with XI, You've actually found your own voice, if that makes sense to you. You speak more coherently. No offense, I just so breathe in. Does that make sense to you, sweetie?
Oh, completely.
Yeah. So back in the day, basically, is like Carmen didn't know who she was, especially in her teens. From what I'm seeing in her 20s, and she's basically is like, if there's like you'd be okay with one person, conversing with one person. But if there's a group of people, what Carmen does is literally go, oh, this person wants me to be this way. This person wants me to be this way. This person wants me to be this way. And then if you're talking to a group, you're picking up all their frequencies, and then you basically lose your identity and you have no voice because you don't know who to please in that situation. Does that make sense for you?
Oh, yes, it does.
Okay. So that was back in the day. I just want you to reference spatial referencing is important in XI. So notice, how far back that was. And then what you would do is, yeah, you have daughters. So you would just cling on to, your daughters, for safety, but then it messes them up. And then it creates just um, this tangled mess of feminine frequencies. So over the time, and again, I'm just creating a timeline for you. So just so you can spatial reference and just feel how far back that goes. Okay. For those of you who've done that, by the way, online as you're listening, just think how that role is played out. And now, as of late, especially, you're on that event with us in South Africa. And so that identity gap is like you're not bouncing out. You're not again bouncing to get your identity. And sometimes if you don't have an identity, people like you go, oh, other people are picking on me. It's like, no, they're not. But you're just wanting, say, you just wanting a reflection of other people to create yourself. So in this case, in this session, sweetie, let's do it this way. Breathe in. What we're going to do is flip that around. So there is no, you can, this is where being empathic, actually works. Empathy in its truest sense, by the way, you're very empathic. Empathy in its truest sense is that, you pick up, say, the situations, you pick up the vibe of what other people are feeling, and then, which is fantastic, but then you didn't have a filter. That's the problem with people who are empathic like you. Okay. The main cause of why that identity loss. Breathe in. So what happens is empathy is really good. You're picking up, oh, that person's creating themselves in that reality. This person's creating in that reality. And then empathic people basically lose their identity going into their other person's reality. What true empathy is about, and this is what I'm helping you with, sweetie, because it'll get your trajectory on really, really fast for you going forward. So again, breathe in, notice your spine, and then your throat. So you can use that ability that, say, destroyed you. Again, it's not the ability; it's just how you used it. So being empathic. So empathy, in your sense now, will feel like, oh, I can feel that other person, but I don't have to feel them in my body. Because then this is where, your body has issues. Yeah. If they are like having circulation issues, you have circulation issues. So in this
Mm.
case, again, you're referencing where they are and going, that's how they're rendering themselves. I can learn so I don't get stuck. So you start to see their patterns and what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, and how you could do it better. That was the only filter that was missing. It's like, how can I do it better versus I'm going to morph into them. So this is where you're going to read a lot of people because you've got nice abilities, sweetie. And then you're going, oh, I see why they are where they are, where
Mhm.
they're where they're where they're doing really good, where they're fucking up, and then I'm going to do it better this way. Okay, and this is where you have your own mind, your own, say, decision making process, all that, and it'll help your daughters as well because your daughters are going with you. Did that all make sense, sweetie?
Yes. I needed
Wonderful.
this very much. Thank you.
Go for it, sweetie. Okay.